Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Embedded TV Live. And today I'm going to go over a few things that I found. One of the very interesting things is that we have actually Doom running on a FPGA. And this is very interesting development that was published on Hackaday today. It's actually a renderer for the Doom 1, the original Doom. It's absolutely amazing how this game has revolutionized the whole FPS style of games. And I remember playing this game on a 486. It was this one of the 486s that was from 1991, and it was about 10 years old when I was using it for playing Doom, and it was really like one of the first times after Wolfenstein. Wolfenstein was actually the first game, I think, that used this kind of 3D or semi-3D rendering, but Doom was the first game that really took it to the next level and implemented it as its own style of games. And I love it how games have evolved in the last 30 years, how we went from something like this, that, by the way, very interesting thread here. You can have a look how it's implemented, and he has some code here. The renderer is only 666 lines of code. Isn't that fascinating? I can make it exactly 666 lines of code. But it's pretty amazing. I also found the new demo of Unreal Engine 5, which is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at this. It's like, it's almost like having a LiDAR scan with textures, which you are just playing in. I mean, look at the detail. It's incredible.
Before we continue, let's stop a moment and take a look at some of the key features of this demo.
And the lighting is amazing.
Pixel Megascan assets, but instead of using the game versions, we use the cinematic versions, which would typically be used in film. There are around 1 million triangles each, and thanks to virtual texturing, they all use 8K textures as well. Nanite can render an insane number of triangles very
I mean, this is insane. This is like, this is almost realistic.
Crunches down losslessly to around 20 million drawn triangles.
20 million triangles.
What does that many triangles look like? This isn't noise.
Look at that.
These are the triangles, each a different color. Most are so small that they
It's
look
triangles.
Nanite achieves detail.
Absolutely amazing.
Which means triangles are often the size of.
And I think the future of the games is going to be like scanned areas. Like you're gonna be scanning areas with LiDAR and just modeling, adding a little bit of extra stuff manually, I think, because LiDAR cannot scan behind the surfaces, so you always end up with little holes. But it's quite incredible that it's possible to render this in real time now.
Okay, let's keep going.
This is incredible. And this whole whatever game this is probably just a demo, probably not part of any game, but it's absolutely incredible. And it seems to be like, oh, have a look at this. This is really cool. I love that lighting. All the reflections. And then it's just one big landscape. I mean, awesome. And then, of course, the Stargate Atlantis. I remember watching that series in like 2005 or 2006 maybe. Absolutely amazing. So like in 30 years, we went from like simple pixels to 20 million triangles. Isn't that amazing? Let's see what else we have today. I have, let's see. I have a story about Device Farm, which claims that they can, let me just turn this off, which claims that they can build 100 different firmwares for different devices, like Raspberry Pi and a bunch of others. And we also have a new application for a 3D LiDAR, which is designed to tell people whether they are being too close to each other. And they made it into something like this. Actually looks pretty cool. So they're able to measure the distances that people are keeping. And what would be even cooler actually is if this would be a projected graphic. So you would have like a projector that would actually project things on the floor, and so you could just see the circles and the lines. Because this looks like it's fake. I mean, it doesn't look real. It looks fake. Like for example, there it looks fake. But it would be really cool if this was projected sort of on the surface. And you can actually do that now, because if you have LiDAR, you actually get the point cloud, so you can actually project it to surfaces. You can have an image going from the side and projecting an image on the floor, which looks real when you're like standing on the floor. Actually, what would be really cool is some kind of like a laser projector, where you could just swipe a beam of laser and render different images on any surface that you previously scanned with LiDAR. That would be really cool. All right, so that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.